Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp download failed. So guys, when you try to download any file and you will see this type of error again and again, that you will see the download was unable to complete, please try again later. I will help you how can you fix it. So guys, you can easily fix it. First of all, you need to open your settings. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and if your internet connection is weak, then you need to change your internet. And guys, if you're using mobile data, then you need to select 4G or 5G network on your device. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back, scroll it down and click on general. And guys, after this, you need to set your date and time on automatically. And guys, after this, you need to go back. So simply you have to scroll it down. After doing this, you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect your VPN, and now you need to go back, click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and you need to reset your network settings. And after this guys, you need to go back. So guys, after this, check for software update, and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And now you need to go back on your home screen, and after this, open your app store, and here you need to search WhatsApp. After searching it, open your WhatsApp Messenger, and you need to check for update. If your app is not updated, then you need to update your app first, and after doing update, you need to go back and check that, and you need to download that file again and check that your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing all these methods, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. Open your settings again, scroll it below, and from here you will see the option of general. Click on it and click on iPhone storage. And guys, after this, you will see multiple options here, but you need to select WhatsApp. And after selecting it, simply you need to offload your app, and after doing offload, you need to reinstall it again from your app store. And after this, you will be able to download any kind of file on your WhatsApp. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.